Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the background expand feature brought to you by Elementor Pro add-on. Background expand is an extension feature which you'll find under the extensions tab in Elementor dashboard. Just turn on the switcher and set settings to activate it. Now let's reload the page where we are currently editing. Once it's reloaded, click on the section settings button there and switch to the style tab. There you'll see the background expand option. But first, let's select a background image from the options above. Let's go into the widget style settings to change the text colors to white so we can see them better. Now back into the section settings. Let's click on the background expand option and turn on the enable button. Here you'll get two scroll bars, one for the container width and the other for transition speed. With the addition of border radius values for normal and hover modes, you can create a scroll animation by manipulating the container width. Now scroll from top to bottom to see the effect in action. This extension will help you add a unique touch to your landing pages and make them more interactive and dynamic. That's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to get updates on new tutorial videos. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.